In this question, we'll use the remainder theorem to find the value of a constant. A remainder theorem states that if a polynomial px is divided by x minus a, then the remainder is equal to pa. So our polynomial is stated here. This is px. And we have two divisors, x plus 3 and x minus 2. Let's compare those divisors to the divisor given in the theorem. So our first divisor is x plus 3. Let's compare that to x minus a. We need to find a because that's the number we substitute into the polynomial. So in this question, we'll just rewrite the divisor as x minus negative 3, which is the same as x plus 3, equals x minus a. So you can see now that a will be equal to negative 3. So let's evaluate our polynomial using the value a equals negative 3. So let's put it into our polynomial. So we'll have negative 3 cubed minus 5 times negative 3 plus a. So that will give us negative 27 plus 15 plus a. So that reduces to a minus 12. So this is going to equal our remainder when we divide by x plus 3. Now consider the second divisor, which is x minus 2. We'll write that down. Compare that to the theorem, which states x minus a. And directly we can see that a equals 2 here. So we'll evaluate the polynomial at a equals 2. Substitute that number in. We'll get 2 cubed minus 5 times 2 plus a. That will simplify to 8 minus 10 plus a. So we'll get a minus 2. And that will equal the remainder when we divide the polynomial by x minus 2. So we can write that down as p negative 3 equals 2 times p2. And we have those particular values here and here. So let's put those expressions in. We have a minus 12 equals 2 times a minus 2. So we'll have a minus 12 equals 2a minus 4. So a is going to equal negative 12 plus 4. So your required answer is that a will equal negative 8. This is your final answer. Thanks for watching.